Hi, how to connect your mobile screen to any type of PC or TV screen. First of all, I'm going to enable this live drawing for easy to understand it. I enable it, then I came on this screen. I'm going to connect on my PC screen. That's why I'm tapped on PC connect. Yeah, from here choose any network. I'm going to connect the network 3. You can choose any network. Yeah, here, then connect start now button. Now in this button you're going to see this. I'm going to enable on this button, and you see this, just the URL. You just type this URL on your PC screen. Just type this URL on your PC screen. I'm going to my PC screen. Just type the URL from your mobile screen to the PC or TV browsers, and click the OK button on the screen for enable audio. And your streaming is start now. You can play games, TV, movies, anything. I'm going to test the YouTube audio section.